This tutorial will cover a database setup for the HIPAAsuite Premium Payment Master. Start off, we need to go to Database, SQL Setup, and identify which kind of database we're going to be using. For this example, I will use Microsoft SQL Server with integrated security, and type in our server name, and the name of the database we will be using. I will now save and test this connection. Here I can see I have a successful connection, however I am missing some tables, so I'll go ahead and create those by clicking on this text here. And now I can see all my tables. I make sure I've got the correct database selected and use the table creation scripts to create the tables. That's payment header, and that's payment details. If you've used a HIPAAsuite product before, you should already have the company setup table. I'll test my connection again, and I can see I'm successful and my tables have been verified. Now I need to make sure my fields are present, and I'll be using all of them, so I go ahead and select all of them and test the configuration. Everything checks out, so I save the field configuration, and my database and tables are now configured. I can now import A20 transactions into the database. I'll go ahead and use a sample file. And they've now been saved to the database. And I can now view these stored payments and their details through the stored payments. This concludes the tutorial. Oh man.